11 Science Subject Mathematics and Statistics Part 1st Chapter number 1 Angle and its Measurement. Dear students, we are going to study examples on angles of the triangle. Example number 11. In triangle ABC, if measure of angle equal to 7 pi divided by 36 radian, measure of angle B equal to 120 degree. Find measure of angle C in degree and radian. Here we have to give triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, angle A and angle B is given. Find third angle C. Here, angle A unit in radian, angle B in degree. Therefore, for simplify, convert angle A in degrees. Then we know that sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Using this result, find measure of angle C. Solution. We know that 1 radian equal to 180 divided by pi degree. Therefore, measure of angle A equal to 7 pi divided by 36 radian here is given. Convert it into degree. Therefore, multiply this term by 180 divided by pi. Therefore, 7 pi divided by 36 multiplied by 180 divided by pi degree equal to, simplifying we get 35 degree. Also, measure of angle B equal to 120 degree. Here two angles are given. We know that measure of angle A plus measure of angle B plus measure of angle C equal to 180 degree. Put the values of A and B. A angle is 35 degree plus B angle is 120 degree plus measure of angle C equal to 180 degree. Here is 35 degree plus 120 degree equal to 155 degree. Take this term on RHS. Then we get measure of angle C equal to 180 degree minus 155 degree equal to 25 degree. Therefore, measure of angle C equal to 25 degree. Therefore, now also we have to find this angle in degree and radian. Here is we get the result in degrees. Convert into radians. We know that 1 degree equal to pi divided by 180 radian. Therefore, 25 degree equal to, convert this angle into radian, multiply by pi divided by 180. 25 into pi divided by 180 radian equal to, simplifying 5 pi divided by 36 radian. Therefore, measure of angle C equal to 25 degree, or in radian 5 pi divided by 36. Example number 12. In a right angle triangle, the acute angles are in the ratio 4:5. Find the angles of a triangle in degree and radian. Here we have to give right angle triangle, means one angle is 90 degree and remaining two angles are acute. The given ratio of these two angles. Also, we know that sum of the angles is 180 degree. Using these results, find these angles in degree and radian. Here is right angle triangle. Right angle at A means measure of angle A equal to 90 degree. And B and C are acute angles. We have to given the ratio of B and C as 4:5. Solution. Let ABC be the right angle triangle, right angle at A. Therefore, measure of angle A equal to 90 degree. Here is A 90 degree. The acute angles, that is measure of angle B and measure of angle C, are in the ratio 4:5. Here acute angle B and C are in the ratio 4:5. Suppose we take K is a constant multiple, then let measure of angle B equal to 4K and measure of angle C equal to 5K. We know that addition of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, measure of angle A plus measure of angle B plus measure of angle C equal to 180 degree. Measure of angle is right angle, means 90 degree, plus measure of angle B is 4K, measure of angle C is 5K equal to 180 degree. 90 plus 4K plus 5K is 9K equal to 180 degree. We have to find the value of K. Therefore, 9K term take on LHS and 90 degree take on RHS. It is 180 degree minus 90 degree equal to 90 degree. 9K equal to 90 degree divided by 9 means K equal to 10 degree. Therefore, measure of angle B is 4K equal to 4 into 10 degree equal to 40 degree. And measure of angle C equal to 5K, 5 into 10 degree equal to 50 degree. We have to find these two angles in degrees. Also find in radians. We know that 1 degree equal to pi divided by 180 radian. Therefore 40 degree equal to, convert degree into radians, multiply this term by pi divided by 180. Therefore 40 into pi divided by 180 radian. Simplifying we get 2 pi divided by 9 radian. Here is also 50 degree equal to, convert into radian, multiply by pi divided by 180. 50 into pi divided by 180 radian equal to, simplifying 5 pi divided by 80. And 90 degree equal to 90 into pi divided by 180 radian equal to pi by 2 radian. Hence the angles of the triangle are 40 degree, 50 degree, 90 degree. Or in radians, 2 pi divided by 9, 5 pi divided by 18 and pi divided by 2. Example 30. The measures of the angles of triangle are in the ratio 3 to 7 to 8. Find their measures in degrees and radians. We know that angles of a triangle given in the ratio 3 to 7 to 8. Suppose k is a constant term, then first angle is 3k, second is 7k, third is 8k. Use the result, sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree, find k, then find 3 angles. Solution. Let the angles of the triangle be 3k, 7k, 8k in degrees as these angles in the ratios. We know that sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, 3k plus 7k plus 8k equal to 180 degree. 3 plus 7, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. Here is 18k equal to 180 degree. Then divide by 18, we get k equal to 10 degree. Therefore, the angles of the triangle are 3k equal to 3 into 10 degree equal to 30 degree. Second angle is 7k equal to 7. Put the value of k is 10 degree. 7 into 10 equal to 70 degree. Then 8k, 8 into 10 degree equal to 80 degree. Also find these angles in radians. We know that 1 degree equal to pi divided by 180 radian. Therefore, convert these angles into radian, multiply each angle by pi divided by 180. Therefore, 30 degree equal to 30 into pi divided by 180. 0, 0 cancel, 3 into 6, 18. We get pi divided by 6 radian. 70 degree, 70 into pi divided by 180. 0, 0 cancel, we get 7 pi divided by 18 radian. And 80 degree equal to 18 into pi divided by 180. Simplifying, we get 4 pi divided by 9 radian. Hence the measures of the angles are 30 degree, 70 degree, 80 degree. Or in radians, pi by 6, 7 pi divided by 18, 4 pi divided by 9. Example number 14. If the radian measure of two angles of a triangle are 5 pi divided by 9 radian and 5 pi divided by 18 radian, find the radian measure and degree measure of the third angle. Here we have to give two angles of a triangle in radian. For simplifying, we convert it into degrees. Also we know that the sum of the angles of the triangle are 180 degree. Using this result, find the third angle in degrees and radian. Solution. Let triangle ABC. Suppose first angle we have to give measure of angle A equal to 5 pi divided by 9 radian. Convert it into degree, multiply this by 180 divided by pi. Therefore, 5 pi divided by 9 into 180 divided by pi. Pi pi cancel, 9 into 2, 18. Here is 20, 20 into 5, here is 100 degree. Also measure of angle B equal to 5 pi divided by radian, second angle. Convert it into degree, multiply by 180 divided by pi. Pi pi cancel, 18, 118 divided by 18 is 10. 10 into 5 is 50 degree. We have get two angles in degrees. We know that the result, sum of the angles of a triangle are 180. Therefore, take measure of angle A plus measure of angle B plus measure of angle C equal to 180 degree. Measure of angle A is 100 degree. Measure of angle B is 50 degree. Plus measure of angle C is 180 degree. 100 plus 50 is 150. Take this term on RHS. We get measure of angle C equal to 180 degree minus 150 degree. 180 minus 150 here is 30 degree. Measure of angle C is 30 degree. we have to get third angle in degrees. Convert it into radians. Multiply this angle by pi divided by 180. 0, 0 cancel. 3 into 6, 18. We get pi divided by 6 radian. Therefore, the third remaining angle, measure of angle C equal to 30 degree and measure of angle C equal to pi divided by 6 radian. 15. The measures of angle of a triangle are in AP, means arithmetic progression, and the greatest is 5 times the smallest, least. Find the angles in degree and radian. We are to given the measure of angles of a triangle are in AP, arithmetic progression. We know that in arithmetic progression, the difference between consecutive terms is constant. Also, using this condition, find the angles in degrees and radian. Solution. Let the angles of the triangle are A minus D, A plus D in degrees. As the angles of a triangle in arithmetic progression. Therefore, for simplification, we use these three angles. First is A minus D, second is A, and third is A plus D. As their common difference is here D. D is a common difference. Therefore, these terms in arithmetic progression. Since sum of the angles of the triangle be 180 degree. Hence, A minus D is first angle plus A is second angle plus A plus D is third angle equal to 180 degree. Here plus D minus D cancel. We get A plus A 2A plus A 3A. 3 equal to 180 degree. Divide by 3, we get A equal to 60 degree. Here is condition. Greatest angle is 5 times the smallest. Greatest angle is A plus D. Smallest angle is A minus D. We have to give greatest angle is 5 times the smallest. Therefore, we have A plus D equal to 5 multiplied by A minus D. From above, we get A equal to 60 degree. Therefore, put this value 60 degree plus D equal to 5 into 60 degree minus D. 60 degree plus D. 5 multiplied by 60 degree is 300 degree minus 5 into D is 5D. We have to find the value of D. Minus 5D take on LHS, therefore D plus 5D is 6D. 300 degree. Take 60 degree on RHS, therefore 300 degree minus 60 degree equal to 240 degree. Here is divided by 6 on RHS, we get D equal to 40 degree. Therefore, the angles of the triangle are smallest angle is A minus D. Put the values. A equal to 60 degree minus D equal to 40 degree. 60 degree minus 40 degree equal to 20 degree. A is 60 degree from these results. And largest angle A plus D equal to 60 degree plus 40 degree equal to 100 degree. Therefore, we find these three angles in degrees. Also find these angles in radians. We know that 1 degree equal to pi divided by 180 radian. Therefore, 20 degree. Convert it into radian, multiply by pi divided by 180. Here is 0, 0 cancel, 2 into 9, 80. Therefore, pi divided by 9 radian. 60 degree. 60 into pi divided by 180. 0, 0 cancel. 6 into 3, 18. Therefore, pi divided by 3 radian. 100 degree. 100 multiplied by 1 by 80. Here 0, 0 cancel. 2 into 5, 10. 2 into 9, 18. Therefore, 5 pi divided by 9 radian. Hence, the angles of the triangle are 20 degree, 60 degree, 100 degree. Or in radian, pi divided by 9, pi by 3, 5 pi divided by 9. Example 16. The measures of the angles of the triangle are in AP. The smallest angle is 40 degree. Find the angles of a triangle in degree and radian. Here is also the given angles of a triangle are in AP, arithmetic progression. Here is the difference between consecutive terms is same. Therefore, we use three angles as A minus D, A and A plus D. And using the result, smallest angle is 40 degree. Find the angles in degrees and radians. Solution. Let the angles of the triangle be A minus D, A plus D in degree, as the angles in arithmetic progression. Therefore, the difference between two terms is D. Here is A plus D minus A is D. Also, A minus D is D. Common difference is t. Hence there is arithmetic progression, the terms in arithmetic progression. For easy to simplify, we use a minus d, a plus d, these three angles. We know that the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, a minus d plus a plus d equal to 180 degree. Plus d minus d cancel. A plus a 2a plus a 3 equal to 180 degree. Divide by 3 on RHS, we get a equal to 60 degree. Also, here is given smallest angle is 40 degree. Smallest angle is a minus d. Largest angle is a plus d. A minus d equal to 40 degree. Put the value of a is 60 degree. 60 degree minus d equal to 40 degree. Take 40 degree on LHS and minus d on RHS. We get 60 degree minus 40 degree equal to d. 60 degree minus 40 degree equal to 20 degree. Therefore, d equal to 20 degree. Now, a plus d, that is the third largest angle. Put the values of a and d. A equal to 60 degree, d equal to 20 degree, equal to 80 degree. Hence the angles in degrees 40 degree, 60 degree, 80 degree. We have to find these angles in radian. If they are theta 1 radian, theta 2 radian, theta 3 radian, then theta 1 radian equal to, convert radian, we multiply all the angles by pi divided by 180. Therefore 40 into pi divided by 180 equal to 2 pi divided by 9 radian. Second, theta 2 radian equal to 60 into pi divided by 180 is pi divided by 3 radian. Then theta 3 radian equal to 80 degree, 80 into pi divided by 180 equal to 4 pi divided by 9 radian. Hence the angles are 2 pi divided by 9, pi by 3 and 4 pi divided by 9 in radius. Therefore, the angles of the triangles in degree are 40 degree, 60 degree and 80 degree. And in radians 2 pi divided by 9, pi divided by 3, 4 pi divided by 9. 17. The difference between two acute angles of a right angle triangle is 7 pi divided by 30 in radians. Find the angles of a triangle in degree. Here is where to give right angle triangle. Means one angle is 90 degree. Other two is acute angles. Therefore, other two is acute angle. Their difference is 7 pi divided by 30. Here is right angle triangle. One angle is 90 degree. Other two acute angles are x and y. We have to give their difference. Difference means x minus y equal to 7 pi divided by 30 radian. Also we know that sum of the angles of the triangle is 180 degree. Here is 90 degree. Therefore, the addition of two these angles x plus y equal to 90 degree. Using these results, we have to find solution. Let x and y be the acute angles of a triangle in degrees. Here is given difference between two acute angles x minus y equal to 7 pi divided by 30 radian. Convert it into degree, multiply by 180 divided by pi. Here is pi cancel, 0 cancel, 3 into 6 18, 6 into 7 is 42 degree. Therefore x minus y equal to 42 degree, denoted by equation 1. The right angle triangle, here is right angle triangle. Sum of the angles is 180, means x plus y plus 90 equal to 180. 90 take on RHS, then x plus y equal to 180 minus 90. Therefore, x plus y equal to 90 degree. Here is x plus y equal to 90 degree. Addition of first and second. Adding first these two equations. X minus y plus x plus y equal to. Addition of the terms on RHS. 42 degree plus 90 degree. Plus y minus y cancel. X plus x is 2x. 2x equal to. Addition of these two terms 132 degree. Divide by 2 on RHS, x equal to 66 degree. Put in equation 1. Here is 66 degree minus y equal to 42 degree. 42 degree take on LHS and minus y take on RHS. Then 66 degree minus 42 degree equal to y. Therefore y equal to 66 degree minus 42 degree is 24 degree. Therefore the angles of a triangle are 66 degree, 90 degree and 24 degree. The angles of a triangle in degrees. Here we have to give one condition. Students Remember that the subtraction is given and addition of two acute angles is always 90 degree. Using these results, find x, then also find y. Therefore, the angles of a triangle are 66 degree, 90 degree and 24 degree. 18. The sum of two angles is 5 pi radian and their difference is 60 degree. Find the two angles in degree. We have to gain sum of two angles. Means addition of two angles is 5 pi radian. Difference is 60 degree. Using these results, find angles in degrees. Solution. Let x and y be two angles and suppose x is greater than y. Here is given sum of two angles. Sum means addition. X plus y equal to 5 pi radian. To simplify, convert this radian into degree. Therefore, multiply 5 pi by 180 divided by pi. Pi cancel, 5 into 180 equal to 900. Therefore, x plus y equal to 900 denoted by equation 1. Also, the difference is 60 degree. X minus y equal to 60. Here is unit is degree, unit is radian. For simplification, we convert radian into degree. Two equations in same unit. Therefore, equation first plus equation second. Here is x plus y equal to 900 and x minus y equal to 60 degree. Here plus y minus y cancel. Then x plus x equal to 2x. 900 plus 60 is 960. Divide by 2. On RHS we get x equal to 960 divided by 2. Therefore x equal to 480 degree. One angle is 480 degree. Put x equal to 480 degree in equation first. Here is equation first. X plus y equal to 900 degree. X is 480 degree plus y equal to 900 degree. 480 degree take on RHS, then y equal to 900 minus 480 degree. Therefore y equal to 900 minus 480 degree equal to 420 degree. Hence these two angles in degrees. First angle is x equal to 480 degree. Second is y equal to 420 degree. Example number 19. In triangle ABC, measure of angle A equal to 2 pi divided by 3 radian and measure of angle B is 45 degree. Find measure of angle C in both the system. Here we have to give two angles, one in radian, one in degree. For simplification, we convert this angle radian into degrees. Then same unit of these two angles and find third angle. In triangle ABC, measure of angle A equal to 2 pi divided by 3 radian. Convert into degree, multiply by 180 divided by pi. Here is pi cancel, 3 into 6, 18. There is 60, 60 into 2, 120 degree. Therefore, measure of angle is A is 120 degree. We have to give measure of angle B is 45 degree. We have sum of the angles of the triangles is 180 degree. Therefore, measure of angle A plus measure of angle B plus measure of angle C equal to 180 degree. Put the values of A and B. A is 120 degree plus B is 45 degree plus measure of angle C equal to 180 degree. 120 plus 45 is 165 degree. Take this term on RHS, then measure of angle C equal to 180 degree minus 165 degree. Measure of angle C. 180 minus 165 is 15 degree. Measure of angle C 15. We find this angle in both the system. Therefore, also find in radian. Convert this angle into radian, multiply this term by pi divided by 180. Therefore, 15 into pi divided by 180. Simplifying, we get measure of angle C equal to pi divided by 12 radian. Therefore, the third angle, measure of angle C equal to pi divided by 12 radian and measure of angle C in 15 degree. In both the units, the angle C is. Example number 20. In triangle LMN, measure of angle L equal to 3 pi divided by 4 radian. Measure of angle N equal to 30 degree. Find measure of angle M in both the system. Here angle in radian, convert it into radian. Then these two angles have same unit. Use the result, sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 Find the measure of angle M in both the system. Solution. Measure of angle L equal to 3 pi divided by 4 radian. Convert into degree, multiply by 180 divided by pi. Simplifying, we get 540 degree divided by 4 equal to 135 degree. Also given measure of angle N equal to 30 degree. We have sum of the angles of the triangle are 180 degree. Therefore, measure of angle L plus measure of angle N plus measure of angle M equal to 180 degree. Put the values of L and N. 135 degree plus 30 degree plus measure of angle M equal to 180 degree. 135 plus 30 is 165 degree plus measure of angle M equal to 180 degree. 165 degree take on RHS, here is minus. Measure of angle M equal to 180 minus 165 equal to 15 degree. Convert this angle into radians, multiply by pi divided by 180. Here is pi divided by 12 radian. Therefore, measure of angle M equal to 15 degree and measure of angle M equal to pi divided by 12 radian. Thank you.